Hello everyone, welcome to another video demo series of Bizintel360. Today, we will demonstrate how Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics helps organization to identify bad product data quality from application like Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, Supply Chain Planning, SCM, and e-commerce applications. This solution will help organization to quickly identify duplicate items, missing attributes, and mismatched value of attributes between various enterprise applications. Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics helps you to monitor, measure, and improve product, customer, and supplier data on a continuous basis to achieve Six Sigma in data quality across enterprise application. Here is one example on a product data quality problem out of multiple product data management problems. Let's take a look at this example. A retailer gets a demand signal for a high-power grinder, and he informs quickly to the nearest distributor with the product name. The distributor, in turn, checks the availability of that product with SKU and ERP, and finds that the demand quality is huge in number and the inventory is low. On further searches in ERP application, he finds that this particular product is not even available in nearby retail warehouse or any nearby distributors. The distributor further informs manufacturer to generate supply for the product. The manufacturer, in turn, generates more finished product and supplies it to distributor. Later, it gets discovered that product is available just because SKU number is different, or there is a duplicate item number because of differentiation in various attributes of item. The distributor was unsuccessful to find the product in nearest distributor warehouse. Hence, there was a big loss to both the retailer and the manufacturer, and in turn, it ended up with overstock and huge maintenance of those stocks. Let's see some of the common product data management problems. Most common problem is customer complaints about incorrect manual and product service, delayed product launches due to missing and incorrect item information, poor demand forecasting, lost in visibility for product promotions by sales team, duplicate items causes overstock, maintenance and increased purchasing cost, and the most repetitive one is missing shipments. Bizintel360 helps you to give visibility and identify the root cause of such problems. Let's take a look on Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics solution. Bizintel360 collects data from various sources like PLM, ERP, e-commerce, and product information management systems, and ingests data in Bizintel360 Data Lake. With the power of advanced visualization, auto-relationship, and augmented search analytics, Bizintel360 gives the visibility of data quality, duplicate items, missing attribute values, and mismatch on price, lead time, stock on hand, discount price between various systems. So who needs Bizintel360? Anyone in the organization who deals with product, customer, and supplier data across organization. Those who are mainly marketing, operations, product development, procurement, IT, and sales team. Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics solution is in a box which gives overall visibility and root cause of the problem in a single dashboard. It helps you to identify and root cause garbage data, duplicate entities, variance of metric like stock on hand, discount price, retail price across systems, and undefined attributes for various entities. Well, the problem is very common across industries, but very prominent in industries like high-tech, retail, pharma, medical devices, CPG, and industrial manufacturing. Bizdata have in-depth expertise in these industry verticals. Bizintel360 can collect data from all leading PLM, ERP, e-commerce, and product information management system vendors. Bizintel360 is cloud-based software as a service offering from Bizdata. We have logged in into Bizintel360 Augment Analytics solution. We collected data from 3 data sources. This is Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics dashboard, confined to product master data. Item data is coming from data sources, namely ERP, Product Information Management, and e-commerce application, and a total of 63 finished good items are loaded. This gives the quick visibility on items by subcategory across all 3 data sources. This gives the data profiling on product category across 3 sources. Here, we can quickly identify the product category is not defined in these items. In order to merge these 3 data sources, there is no need to build data warehouse. With the power of augmented data analytics, Bizintel360 Data Lake merges all items in a unified view. Items by manufacturer report quickly shows up that there are items which does not have manufacturer, which is a big risk in the supply chain. This is why this pillar shows up as undefined value. Bizintel360 identifies the missing records, turns it into undefined value. This gives the quick data profiling on stock on hand and stock on order from e-commerce data source. Similarly, this gives the quick visibility of stock on hand and stock on order from ERP data source. This is data profiling on items which is meant for warranty period. Here we can easily identify that warranty year is added wrongly in 2 different systems. This is a tabular report with unified views of all items from the 3 data sources. All the attributes of the items are confined into a single view across 3 data sources. Let's filter the dashboard by a keyword. We can filter the whole dashboard by simply typing any keyword like product category electronics. Now you can see the whole dashboard got filtered by electronics product category. All items are now of electronics category. Now you can get the quick data profiling on electronics category items. You can easily identify the various attributes value of all items in a single view across data sources. I can search by other keyword like undefined to get all the missing value in one go. I can also search by data source name like ERP, and the whole dashboard will give items related to ERP application. Now this are all ERP system items. Let me clear the search. We can also filter the dashboard from master table view. Let me filter it by e-commerce. It goes and places a tag on top of the dashboard and filters the source by e-commerce. Now the overall category and subcategory is from e-commerce data source. I can invert it to see items other than e-commerce data sources. Just click on invert to get the source other than e-commerce. Now we can see all the items other than e-commerce. Let me clear the tag. Let's move on to the other tab of dashboard. Here, we get a quick visibility on item quality classified by Bizintel360 while ingesting data in Data Lake in real time. By various product data management parameter, this is qualified by low, medium, and high. On clicking the low quality items, I get all the items which need attention to improve on various product data quality aspects. Here, we can see ERP has highest items in low data quality level. I cleared the click event tag. On moving further down, these 3 dial gauge-based KPIs give the visibility between good and garbage data. A garbage data quality in items always leads to poor planning and forecasting. I can filter the data sources here. I can quickly identify the garbage data in e-commerce apps. We can also get a combined view with ERP. The percentage of garbage data is too high. The goal of the team should be to monitor and improve and lower down the percentage to below 3. Clear the filter from here. Back to normal state. On further moving down to the dashboard, I can quickly get the visibility on duplicate items across the data sources. We can fix them by data governance and create golden records in the source system. Here's the master data view of items across the 3 data sources. Going back to the top of dashboard, let's move on to another page of dashboard. This page is dedicated to undefined values of major attributes of items. These are the attributes like lifecycle status, item description, which is very important for any product. In today's regulatory-driven environment, the most important aspect of getting certified is not to have any missing attribute values, especially those which will be used for package labeling and compliance certification like REACH, ROHS, FDA, EU, and UDI. Like this, we can configure multiple attributes of importance according to the business nature. Let's click on the items from e-commerce application, where subcategory is not defined. On click, the whole dashboard got filtered by that record. Now we can check that record in master view, which is there in item quality page. We can position the widget in any tabs and at any position. It all depends on how you want to run your use cases. This gives the quick visibility to go through the overall item, and we see subcategory in undefined here. We will clear the tag now. Let's move on to another very important use case where we need to find the difference or variance between two systems. This page contains some tabular reports, which gives actionable visibility on variance of important attributes between systems. Here is this table report. There is variance on stock on hand between ERP and e-commerce application. We can find those discrepancies in two systems with color coding. To get the full list of variance, we can click on all variance with 0 value. This will create a tag, and we can invert it to see the full list. Now we have full list of actionable items between two systems, where there is discrepancies in stock on hand and stock on order between ERP and e-commerce systems. We can further down this in Excel and use data cleansing tool to do sync between ERP and e-commerce application. You can also compare the items from two systems with Bizintel360, unique data comparison reporting, which comes out of the box. Let's see how we can compare same item between two systems. Let me compare a Google Home item between two systems. In one click, I have comparison report ready. Select another system as e-commerce. Now from this report with unique color coding capability, the data governance team can quickly identify the changes or difference between two systems. In this particular case, there is a lot of difference which can create multiple issues in supply chain. Moving further down the page, we can create a similar variance between lead time, list price, discount price, etc. between two systems and can enhance your product data quality. Here is lead time, variance between two systems. Similarly, we have list price variance. The data sync is very important to have right promotion strategy between sales and operations team. Here also, we can quickly identify the variance by color coding. To create all these reports between various systems, you don't need any data scientist to create relationship and unified view between systems. Bizintel360 does this on the fly with augmented ingestion of data and search technology. Let's take another small use case where we will see how all different use cases from different tabs or pages can be combined in one go. Let me search by a brand Google. Now in one go, I have all the tabs filtered and use cases filtered by Google brand. Now this data quality levels are for products related to Google. This helps data governance team quickly go through a change management process and enhance the data set. All the items are related to Google brand. Now we can clear this. Back to normal view. So this is how we can quickly identify the problem in product data quality and root cause them with ease, without depending on any technical resource due to ever-changing business model and process. Thank you for watching Bizdata Demo Series. You can visit us at www.bizdata360.com for more info. You can also request for a no-obligation demo by writing to us at info@bizdata360.com or call us at 1650-283-1644.